How did that baby sound, Aymae? How did the baby sound,
the baby was
Aymae?
crying, and Aymae went up to her when she picked her up. She said, how did she sound, Aymae? I guess her crying back at her. Put that baby to sleep. Aymae.
How'd that baby sound?
That was so funny.
Well, it got the baby attention, so she go try it.
How did she sound?
Whoa.
She won't say bye.
Yeah,
Don't
try it.
Don't worry,
Jesse
we
had
had it
to-
out so she could play with it.
Oh, okay.
Well,
Aymae, how'd she sound?
She took Storm's
How'd it
bottle
go?
too, but couldn't figure it
She's
out.
just chewing on the nipple.
She said, you like all this attention, don't you, sweetheart? Oh, she's gonna try to use
Here, put the diapers out of Mama and Eddie's.
huh?
We never got it back from you.
Oh, no, Mama Renee said she was going to handle it.
Okay.
We got to bring Jessie her wet bag.
Yeah, I'm ignoring it.
Here, come and get
Maybe.
Mama. Yeah.
That's
the
what
sound
that-
the baby made.
That's right. That's the sound the baby made. That is hilarious. Well, everybody paid attention to the baby when she did it, didn't they?